What's going on, folks? I'm going to show you how you'll be changing out your brake lights on a 2014 to about the 2021 Jeep Cherokee. What you're going to need is a T27 Torx bit. You'll have two Torx screws right here that you're going to want to take out. One at the bottom, set that to the side. Come up here to the top one. Yeah, right up here to the top, you want to take that one out. And once you got those two screws out, what you want to do is kind of come right here. You want to wiggle just like that, and you'll have out your whole brake. All right, folks, so once you took the brake assembly out like this, what you need to do next is you'll come here, you'll have this little red piece. You want to pull that back like that. Once you do that, you want to press down on that right there. That disconnects this whole assembly right here. And unfortunately, on this one right here, you'll actually need pretty much to replace your whole brake light assembly on this, because you can't actually change out the brake lights in it. And if you can see right here, if you press down right here on this back end right here, when you remove this, basically your bulb will be back inside of here, but there's actually nothing that you can actually take out of here, which means that you're going to be replacing pretty much your whole back brake light assembly on this this happens to be a 2019 Jeep Cherokee. So that's what y'all have to do to remove it. You'll basically be pulling, taking out these two screws right here like I showed you, and then pulling this out, and then disconnecting your power harness from right here like that, and pretty much you'll have this brake assembly off right here. All right, once again, folks, this is how you will be changing out your whole brake light assembly on a Jeep Cherokee. It's probably the same for about, this is a 2019, it could be the same for about the 2016, I would say, up to about the 2021. You'll actually have to rechange this whole assembly out right here. All right, folks, please check out our other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.